how to register a domain name with Google Domain. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how to register a domain name with Google Domain. So let's get started. On this process, at first open up any browser on your system. Alright, after you open browser, in the search field you'll have to search for domain.google. Alright, after you search it, you can clearly know that Google entered to a definitive agreement with the Squarespace. So simply to register a domain, you'll have to click on the link of Squarespace here. Alright, after you open the official site of Squarespace, you'll get such interface. So from here, make sure that you are logged into your Google account or any kind of account. So from here, you can easily log in, and after you log in the search field here, you can easily search for the domain you are looking for. So simply enter your domain name here. Alright, after you enter it, press the enter key. Okay, so after you search for that domain, you can find multiple match of that domain like .net, .org, .com, .io or something, like all of the multiple domains are available. So from here, you can select any one of these domain for your purpose, and after you select one, click on the option cart here. So I have already added a domain on my cart, so simply you'll have to just click on the option checkout over here. And now from here in the sections registration, on the section domain, you can know the term length of your domain name. So from here, as it is, by clicking on this drop down, you can as it is set for your payment like for 1 year, 2, 3, 4 or 7 years. So I recommend you to use like for 1 year simply for use, and you can as it is change it anyway. So simply select 1 years or date range from here, and after you select it, click on save and continue. And for the registration, you'll have to just provide your phone number, your street address, and after you provide all of the address from your, click on save and continue. And after you click on that, you'll have to just verify or add your payment method, like you have to just add your credit card or debit card for the payment. And after you made the payment method, you'll be able to buy that domain name on your Google ID. So from that way, you can easily create or register your new domain name from the Google domain or Squarespace. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.